if you want to watch this video, give 100 likes on this video.
Some of what's in there. Oh, we got a dead one.
And we got 2 dead ones. Plus. No. Oh, we got a bunch of dead ones in there.
Oh man, we need to take it back to the lake. There's too many fish in that bucket. Did you put the bubbler in here?
Oh!
It wasn't in there the whole time?
No.
That's why.
Oh, Dad, you know what we gotta do? We gotta stop the water so they come back alive.
Got it. What's the bubbler for?
To help keep the fish alive. So today that neighbor Ken this morning, he gave us this thing, cause we had a huge bucket and a minnow bucket, but that minnow bucket, not the blue one that we just showed you guys, it was a minnow bucket that had an aerator on the side, and it didn't work very good because it didn't have very good batteries.
You're right. The batteries died a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do we? Why does this one have a rope on it?
Because we can hang it off the side, and we can put minnows in it.
How does that thing open or close?
It opens like this, and then there's a weight inside there, and then if you want to close it, you just put your finger right here, and then just close it with both of your thumbs like that, and then there you go. You just put it back in the water, and then you have bait. Oh.
So you put the minnows in there?
Yeah.
And then you can tie it off so they stay in fresh water.
Yeah. Every time they get fresh water, and they can stay in the lake and get fresh water every minute. Yeah, like we got 5 rods, and this one is a carp rod, and this one is a catfish rod, and what's this one called?
That one? Mm-hmm. That's the open face one.
Open fish one. And this one is the upside down DY.
That one's mine, right?
Yeah, this one's Dad's, and it's an upside down DY, and the same kind of brand, but a different lure and a different color. And bigger.
So this is your green one?
Yeah.
And this one's mine?
Yeah.
And that's your carp rod?
No, it's the catfish rod, and this is the carp rod.
Oh, got it.
This is Sully's rod, and I got tangled at Papa Jack's lake house, so we're going to untangle it in a couple days, right?
Probably.
Yeah. So we're going to work on this in a couple days. I'm not going to fish with this in a couple days.
What's this?
This is my lure. It goes up and down.
What kind of lure?
Up and down lure.
A jig?
Yep, a jig, and it goes like this. Like that, and see you guys. I'm going to go see if Mom, it's okay if we can go fishing, and see you in a little bit. Peace. We're going to go fishing, and this is the rest of the video. That can I film? Because you're going to drive. We're going to go fishing, and my dad couldn't film because he's going to drive, and it's not going to be long, so we'll be there in like, how many minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes we'll be there, and soon we're going to go fishing. Once we get there, I'm going to check the mountain trap, and then I'm going to get fishing, and you guys see if we catch huge bass or
we're going to put a minnow on a bobber.
We're going to put a minnow on a bobber, and chum it and chum the spot up, and we'll see what we catch. So we are going to go to our lake. We live in, that lake is in the subdivision that we live in. So we're going to pull up right now, and then you guys are going to be able to see our boat, and we're going to show you our minnows trap and our boat and our dock, and then we'll get fishing, okay? Let's try to get the dog food and, okay? Got it? Nothing. This is our minnows trap though. We didn't catch anything, but we'll check on it when we leave.
What are you doing?
I'm scooping out minnows out here because there's too many, and I gotta put all of them in our brand new float. I'm scooping the minnows out. I'll get the rock out of this.
One rock. Scooped them all out, I think.
Oh, I see what I see. See that? You see that thing that's... You see that? That's minnow. Okay?
What are you going to do with it?
I'm going to put it in the float. Here. Oh, it's heavy.
Is that heavy? Good job. How many do you got in there?
20.
That's a lot. Okay.
Let me show you. This is my bait that I'm using. It's the wacky rig setup. And I'm just dropping it in the water. Watch this. And then you just leave it in and then yank it and then let it sink and then leave it in and then yank it and then let it sink. Is it okay if I take it off now?
Yeah. Why are you taking your shirt off?
Because I'm hot.
I see your muscles. Alright, now you gotta catch a big one. You got one?
Yeah. Got one.
Lift it up high.
Oh, the pink one fell off. Woo!
Nice catch.
Let's go. Now we need the pliers.
Yeah. Alright, turn it sideways so I can see. Alright, send it back.
That's kind of hard. So.
Nice job.
That you have to hold him. You hold him and I'll take the hook out of him. Oh!
Squirmy.
I know. Now, Dad.
Yeah.
I caught 2 fish. Oh.
What'd you catch?
I caught a huge fish.
Holy Toledo.
Hey guys, do you like, if you like all the fish I caught, give 1 subscribe. Ready? Ready, Dad?
Yep.
There.
Good job.
Dad, can we put him in that bucket?
You gonna take a picture with them?
Yeah. It's way down in its throat, so when it's way down in its throat, you need some pliers. And you gotta catch lots of bayfish.
Do you wanna kiss this one goodbye?
No! Ew. Alright, we're done fishing for today. Make another video. We'll make videos every Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Peace.